Welcome to the Pyrocore demonstration facility. This is the latest of our pyrolysis energy from waste units. Now, energy from waste is not a new concept, it's something that's been around for a long time now, mainly focused on large scale facilities, big incinerators, municipal waste, that sort of thing. And what we're doing at Pyrocore is shrinking that capability so that you as a community, as a business, as a factory, as a warehouse, as a university, as a hospital, can use your waste and generate energy from it. Pyrolysis is an advanced thermal treatment. So we use heat in the absence of oxygen to thermally degrade waste, which generates a char and a syngas. Pyrolysis has been around for a long time now. The Aztecs were using it to generate biochars. And it gives many advantages over incineration and other combustion technologies because it's more flexible, it can take a wider variety of wastes, and it's environmentally much cleaner than incineration. We target difficult and troublesome waste streams that would otherwise end up in landfill. To ensure an efficient thermal process and reduce the amount of moisture, we require the waste to be shredded to around 25 to 50 millimeters. Shredded waste is fed into the unit via a tailored conveyor system. A knife gate valve controls the flow of waste into the pyrolysis unit and ensures that oxygen doesn't get into the system. Waste is augured through the pyrolysis section, where it is indirectly exposed to temperatures between 500 to 800 degrees centigrade. At this point in the process, the waste is now separated into a char and a syngas. Typically, it's a 90% waste reduction for the char. The char separator is where we can potentially recover metals, glass, or other compounds, and in the case of biogenic waste, potentially an activated biochar. The syngas is then passed into an oxidizer where we introduce oxygen to generate an exothermic reaction. The oxidizer itself has a 2-second retention time to ensure compliance with the Industrial Emissions Directive. This hot gas then passes across the outside of our pyrolysis chamber to be the heat source that allows the unit to self-sustain, which means that we do not require auxiliary fuel to operate. The remaining energy exits the unit and can be utilised for heat, hot water, chilling, steam generation, electrical generation, or water desalination. Once the maximum energy has been extracted from the system, the gas is cleaned before being emitted. This is controlled by a continuous emissions monitoring system and an associated abatement process to ensure Industrial Emissions Directive compliance. Transforming your waste into energy and recovering product locally gives a number of operational, economic and environmental benefits. Operationally, treating your waste on site will mean that you adhere to your duty of care obligations and ensure that waste doesn't turn up where it shouldn't do and the negative brand connotations that may bring. It gives peace of mind and it gives resilience for any issues that may occur with your waste management company. This has knock-on corporate social responsibility benefits and a lot of positive brand associations. From an economic perspective, you're saving costs because the waste that you would normally have to pay to get taken away can be dealt with on site, and you're saving on your energy bills because the energy generated can be offset against those bills. Environmentally, the pyrolysis process itself has a much lower emissions profile, and there are associated carbon benefits with reduced vehicle movements and energy offset. The Pyrocore pyrolysis system therefore makes significant contributions to circularity and the circular economy through byproduct recovery and decarbonised energy by on-site processing.